She goes, we're gonna win this. And she looked at me, we're gonna win this. And I mean, there was no doubt in my mind that we were gonna win it, and we did.
King e Casals vinsero il loro terzo titolo nel 70.